Hey, what's up? Welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Now today I have a product review on something that I bought and I'm in love with. It's the Cuisinart Triple-Riveted knife collection. Now I've had this knife set for over a month, okay? I was in dire need for a knife set and a good quality knife set, but at a reasonable price because I can't spend a whole lot of money. And I'm pretty sure you're in the same boat. If not, I mean, by all means, buy what you want to buy. But, you know, price was a big deal for me. The good thing about this knife set is you don't have to buy a huge knife set. You could buy smaller packages. You know, smaller the package, less the cost. But, you know, if you just want a basic knife set with a couple steak knives and, you know, a slicing knife or whatever, you can do so. I'll leave links down in the description of the video. So go ahead and check those out. If you're looking for a knife set, I'll leave several different options. That way you can choose from.
Depending on what package you end up purchasing, it comes with a multiple variation of knives. We have the chef knife, the Sudoku knife, the serrated blade, a slicing knife, a smaller Sudoku knife, and a small knife. These are all great options to have in the kitchen. Me, I use mostly the large Sudoku knife and the chef knife. Other options in the kit, you have a smaller serrated blade, and then a bunch of other smaller paring knives. I really like the real small hook paring knife, the one that you see right there. You have some shears also. And your steak knives. If you do not have a knife sharpener, it is very important that you purchase the kit that has the sharpener. This sharpener works really well, and when your knives start getting dull, it really makes your knife sharp. I'll show you actually right now how to sharpen your knives. To sharpen your blade, you want to strife your knife at a 20-degree angle along your steel. To make it easier, you could point the steel tip towards the cutting board and stripe down all the way to the cutting board. So here's some footage of me preparing some vegetables using the Sudoku knife. As you can see, it doesn't have any issue cutting through it. So I use the chef blade to pretty much trim my meats, and I do all my meat slicing with that knife.
After using this knife set for over a month, I can tell you right now, it is a very good deal. I cook a lot. I work a 40-hour-a-week job, but I come home and I make dinner most of the time, unless we're picking up some pizza for the kids. But like I said earlier, I use the chef knife and the Sudoku knife more because I'm always slicing something. I'm always slicing my meats, I'm always slicing vegetables. So it's a really good knife set. And the best part of it is when it starts getting dull, I can sharpen it with the steel that's provided with the kit. And if you don't have one of these, it's really a good idea to pick up one of these because you can sharpen your knives. You know, a blade will stay sharp for a good minute. But say if you're constantly using it, you'll notice that your blade will start getting dull. And it's always good to use a sharp blade. That way the cut's easier for you and it doesn't hurt your hands. So it's always good to have a sharp blade. So using that steel really helps out. Well, I hope you liked the little review of the Cuisinart knife collection, the Triple-Riveted collection. I have nothing but good things to say about it. I needed a good knife set, and I guarantee you if you purchase one of these, you would love it too. I'll leave the link down in the description of the video, so that way you can see the options of which knife collection you'd like to buy. I love it. I'm sure you will. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a question down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you shortly after. It doesn't take me long to answer questions. If you like the review or the video, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, I do have a cooking channel, go check out my other videos. And also subscribe and hit the little bell so that way you see my future cooking videos. Thank you. Take care.